Create a 3 minutes video for YouTube about how bake coffee and walnut cake. Coffee and walnut layer cake recipe outline. This recipe typically makes two 8-inch, 20 cm sponge layers. 1. Ingredients component item metric weight, approx. Imperial weight, approx. Sponge softened unsalted butter 225 g 80 oz castor, sugar 225 g 80 oz large eggs 44 self-raising flour, 225 g 80 oz instant coffee granules heaped TSP2, heaped TSP boiling water 50 ml 3/4 TBSP chopped, walnut 75-25 oz buttercream, softened unsalted butter 125 4.5 oz icing sugar, sifted, 225 g 8 oz instant coffee granules 3 TSP3 TSP boiling water 1 TSP1 TSP decoration, walnut halves 8 128 12/2. Method for the sponge: preheat and prepare. Preheat your oven to 180, circle text as a C, gas mark 4, 350, circle text F-town. Grease and line the base of two 8-inch 20 cm round cake tins with parchment paper. Dissolve coffee. Dissolve the 2 heaped teaspoons of instant coffee in the $50 Wartex ml of boiling water. Set aside to cool slightly. Cream butter and sugar. In a large bowl, cream the softened butter and castor sugar together, using an electric mixer until the mixture is light and fluffy. This incorporates air, which helps the cake rise. Add eggs. Beat in the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. If the mixture looks like it might curdle, add a spoonful of the flour before adding the next egg. Add coffee. Mix in the dissolved and slightly cooled coffee mixture until just combined. Fold in dry ingredients and nuts. Gently fold in the self-raising flour and the chopped walnuts until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can result in a tougher sponge. Bake. Divide the mixture evenly between the two prepared tins and level the tops. Bake for 25-30 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Cool. Let the cakes cool in the tins for about 10 minutes, then turn them out onto a wire rack to cool completely. For the coffee buttercream dissolve coffee, dissolve the 3 teaspoons of instant coffee in the 1 teaspoon of boiling water to make a very concentrated paste. Let it cool completely. Cream butter. Beat the softened butter in a bowl until it is smooth and pale. Add sugar. Gradually beat in the sifted icing sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Add coffee paste. Mix in the cooled coffee paste until the buttercream is evenly colored and smooth. To assemble the cake fill. Once the sponges are completely cool, place the first sponge layer, flat side up, on your serving plate. Spread about half of the coffee buttercream evenly over the top. Layer. Place the second sponge layer on top, flat side down, so the 2 flat sides meet in the middle. Top and decorate. Spread the remaining buttercream over the top of the cake. Decorate with the walnut halves. Enjoy your freshly baked coffee and walnut cake.